Hello everybody, Matthew Oakley from Optex Europe. Today we're finding out what is CHeKT. I have my colleague Barry Berger here to help. So Barry, tell me a little bit about CHeKT.
Hi Matt, listen, the CHeKT solution, where I can see it helping installers, it's really a plug and play solution. By installer getting to site, plugging it into the network, there's no need for port forwarding and getting IT involved in your networks anymore. You plug this unit in, you bring the camera streams in, and you're up and running within 30 minutes. So the commissioning time for engineers is a lot shorter than what it would be on a regular site where you'd need to port forward.
Tell me a little bit about the external detection where you can set via the app.
Yeah, well, once you've got the app and you've armed the system through the app, you can obviously get all the notifications coming through the app, but any of the external detectors that you've linked through to the system, anything on our blue range, our active beams, our LiDAR detectors, any of those solutions triggering back to the CHeKT will obviously send you a notification through to the end user and through to the ARC if it's monitored. Obviously just one all-round solution from the CHeKT side of things.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much Barry for your insight into the CHeKT solution. If you'd like to know more, do get in touch with us here at Optex Europe.